Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class about object pronouns.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the basic rules. Examples. We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct pronoun. Nexo. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start the theory step by step.
Great. Slow steps help me.
What object pronouns are? An object pronoun gets the action of a verb. Example. I see him. Example. She calls me. Object pronouns replace object nouns, so the sentence is shorter. Example. The boy sees the dog. The boy sees it. Example. The girl likes the apples. The girl likes them. The object pronoun list. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Example. The nurse helps us. Example. The man knows them. Use it for one thing or animal, and use them for plural people, animals, or things. Example. I have a phone. I use it. Example. I have 2 books. I read them. Position after verbs. Put the object pronoun after the verb. Example. The doctor helps her. Example. The dog follows me. Position after prepositions. Object pronouns also come after short words like with, to, for, and at. Example. The child sits with him. Example. The gift is for you. Example. The baby looks at them. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns do the action, and object pronouns get the action. Example. He sees her. Example. They help us. The theory is clear, and now we practice with examples.
Good. Examples help me remember.
The mother hugs him. The father calls her. The teacher helps me. The bus driver sees us. The children paint it. The woman buys them. The cat watches me. The boy talks to her. The man waits for them. The girl sits near him. The waiter brings it. The students listen to us. The dog runs with you. The girl opens it. The boys see them. Nice work with the examples. And now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the quiz.
Choose an option. The dog follows him. Choose an option. Us. The teacher helps us. Choose an option. The boy likes her. Choose an option. It. The children see it. Choose an option. Me. The woman calls me. Choose an option. Them. The girl reads them. Choose an option. Me. The cat sits with me. Choose an option. Us. Dad makes lunch for us. Choose an option. him. Look at him. Choose an option. It. The girl kicks it. Choose an option. Her. Mom talks to her. Choose an option. Them. The boys play with them. Good job. You completed this grammar class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next class.